Here are my top 5 reasons to invest in Crown Condos, Kingston. Crown Condos will be located in core downtown Kingston, and Kingston is the home of Queen's University, where there are more than 26,000 students enrolled. Location is amazing. You can walk to Queen's University within 9 minutes. You can walk to water, enjoy Lake Ontario within 10 minutes. You can access 200 businesses just within 5-minute walk. You can enjoy your favorite restaurant on day to day. Anything you can get it done within 5-minute walking reach. Queen's University is a home of over 26,000 students and over 9,000 faculty members. So look at the huge rental pool you will have direct access to. Huge demand, less supply, and most important, the price is very good. The price is starting from 300s. This is your time to book your condo with me in the Platinum Access. So this is the location you want to invest.